Hi traders. So we have to be serious traders, and if you are just a person who is just determined to be a good trader, you have to watch this video. And you are a beginner because this is the series called Forex Basics that I started here on YouTube, and so you have to watch this video because it is a really important one, as my other videos actually in this series, if you are a beginner, but it is just a crucial video. So in today's video I will talk about leverage, because oh man, leverage is a big one. Let's admit, all of us, we are using leverage because we didn't start trading as millionaires. We have dreams, we have goals, and we want to reach them, but we didn't start trading as millionaires, and we don't have, you know, the money to trade without leverage. It is completely okay. And if you ask me, I am right now, I am traveling in South America and with my girlfriend, and we are just planning to travel all around the world while while trading, and it is the best thing that ever could happen to me. And I don't want to be a millionaire actually. I just want a normal, you know, basically for me it is enough to have an average salary that I can earn from trading, and I can travel all around the world and just be free, because for me trading is all about freedom. And if you trade for the money, you will never be free, because if you trade for the money, you will lose all the time. You will lose all your money, all your passion, and you will lose your friends, your hobbies, and it is not good. So trade for the freedom that trading can give you, because there are jobs that can pay more money, and there are jobs that can pay you much more money than trading. But if you let yourself to be in a position where you have a boss, you know, boss that can tell you what to do, you are in fucking office all day and you have to take calls, you have to read those fucking, you know, emails, you have to work in a team, you are fucked, and you will work until you die, and that is not good. You have to consider trading as a way to become free. And if you and please only watch this channel and these videos if your goal is to be free, travel the world and provide for your family, and just be with your, you know, children, and be with your love, and just be a real man, and don't, you know, let your boss to tell you what to do. Fuck that. So leverage, let's talk about leverage. Leverage is basically a debt that your broker gives you, and if you don't use leverage, it is the prices of one standard lot are so high that you can't even, you know, start trading. So you have to use leverage, but use it with a careful mind, because your broker, the scammers, the sellers, and all those entities are not there to help you. They are just trying to grab your money, and they don't care about you. So those entities, like your broker, who want to give you like 1 to 1,000 leverage, and they tell you that it will give you the power, the buying power to be a millionaire and make much money, they are actually scammers, and they want bad things for you, and they want to take your money. So leverage is a debt, and of course with leverage you can earn much more money than without leverage, and you can trade with little money, but you have to be a sane person, and you have to trade with a sane leverage, because if you trade with insane leverage you will lose money. So My recommendation for you is to not fall for the 1 to 1000 leverages, and it is because one reason. Of course, you can make ton of money with that high leverage, but actually you can't, because you are a human and you will lose all that money. And I guess you already lost a ton of money with high leverage, because the one thing you can do with high leverage is to lose money. And high leverage can burn your account so fucking fast, like in 1 minute. And so many traders write to me that they lost all their investments, they sold their houses and they lost their money with high leverage. So don't fucking do it, and learn from others' mistakes. And my recommendation for you with leverage is to use it smart, because leverage is a great thing in one hand. If you use, and this is my precise recommendation, a 1 to 30 to 1 to 100 leverage. But that is the maximum leverage that you can use, in my opinion, to stay a sane person. Because leverage has another side effect, and that is just stress, insane stress. And you will be a miserable person with high leverage, because your account will look like this, and your equity, your balance will be like this, and it is not good. It is actually quite bad, I have to tell you. So if you see a broker that allows you to trade with really high leverages, don't use that broker. And consider the sellers who tell you to use high leverage as scammers, and don't use scalping bots that requires high leverages. These are my top tips for you, as if you are a beginner. These are crucial. So this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and watch my other videos from this series called Forex Basics, and ciao.